And
How what's your view of श्याम मानिक सर? उनके ऊपर आपका क्या व्यू है?
what do you want to know about? मतलब personally,
Like
professionally?
just looking at कि he was a different kind of a person.
He is a legend and he is a national hero. अब इसमें क्या है कि lot of factor, he professionally was very good. Intellectually, I think there is no competition to him. And he was a good human. So you know, when everything is, you know, एक सर्कल बन जाता है आपकी लाइफ के अराउंड, एंड समहाउ थिंग्स वर्क इन योर फेवर, एंड फॉर हिम थिंग्स वर्कड इन हिज फेवर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, because of General Yahya Khan and all that situations that happened and 71 war happened, he retired as field marshal. Otherwise he could have retired as chief of army staff. So you need to understand that whatever your personality is, with that, if you are a good human and a good leader, I'm talking with respect to military parlance, wisdom, experience, though everybody gets along the way, but you have to be a good leader. When I say about good leader, you need to understand your men, you need to empathize with your men. I'm not saying that sit and cry with them. Empathy is different. People, they mistake empathy for something like साथ में बैठ के रो लेते हैं. That's wrong. So if you're a good human, you are a good leader, things work along your favor. And look at him today. He's a legend. He's a national hero. So there are so many things to learn from him. And that is why I think there's a movie made on him. And that is why people are still talking about him. There are books written on him, biographies after biographies. So I think even if I try to say anything, it would be an injustice. But I tried to.
उस मूवी में ना एक चीज दिखाई थी कि he gets connected to his men very,
Yes.
जो एक पर्सनल लेवल पे जाके होता है. Does it really happen in
It
defense?
has to happen. It has to happen. Because understand the fact कि आप अपना घर छोड़ के आए हो. एज एन ऑफिसर मुझे 80 दिन छुट्टी मिलती है, एक जवान को 90 दिन छुट्टी मिलती है. आप वो 80 दिन आपको पूरे, मतलब आपको ऑथराइज्ड है, मतलब वो आपको साल में ये है कि आर्मी रेगुलेशंस के हिसाब से आपको वो मिली हुई है कि आपकी 80 दिन है और जवानों की 90 दिन छुट्टी है. बट ऑपरेशनल एक्सीजेंसीज की वजह से, रिक्वायरमेंट्स की वजह से आपको हमेशा नहीं मिल पाती है. तो आप कहाँ हो? आप कैंटोनमेंट में ही हो, आप अपनी यूनिट में ही हो, आप अपने रेजिमेंट में ही हो, आप बैठे हो वहीं पे. तो अगर आप कहीं नहीं जा रहे हो तो आपका अपने परिवार के साथ टेक्निकली एक कनेक्ट छूट चुका है. Yes, mental and spiritual connect will always be with your family, but your physical connect is not with your family. And man is a social animal. We need that physical connect, we need that social connect. Where will we get it from? We'll get it from our immediate. And दूसरी, पहली बात तो ये रिक्वायरमेंट खुद की है. दूसरी रिक्वायरमेंट है आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की. इफ़ यू डोंट नो योर मैन, एंड इट्स नॉट ओनली इन आर्मी, इट्स इन कॉर्पोरेट ऑल्सो, अगर आप उन्हें नहीं सुनते, आप उन्हें नहीं समझते हो, तो आप उसको कैसे लीड करोगे? और आप कैसे सोचते हो कि वो आपकी बात सुनेगा? शायद एक लेवल तक सुन लेगा, लेकिन यहाँ पे बात सिर्फ सुनने की नहीं है. यहाँ पे ये है कि अगर चीज़ें ख़राब हो गई, सो व्हेन यू टेल हिम कि बेटा आगे बढ़ो, और उसको पता है कि आगे मैं बढ़ूंगा तो आगे मौत है.
God.
So it's about life and death here. So when the concept is about life and death, then till the time the personal connect is not there, why will he or she listen to you?
It's more like एक family build-up की है कि जहाँ पर it's more like brotherhood की.
It's the brotherhood and camaraderie. ठीक है. Like example, if your father says आज के डेट में कि निखिल ये करो, आप करोगे.
Yes.
Because you have that connect with him. Of course, it's a family connect. It's a connect which is by birth. But all connects by birth will not happen.
Exactly. It has to be nurtured over a time.
It has to nurture.
Yes.
Like your friendship, your marriage, your own relation with your own kids. तो वो तो है, करना ही पड़ेगा. So what they have shown in that movie with respect to General Sam Manekshaw having such, you know, in-depth knowledge about his soldiers, and going to the level कि उनको पता है कि उसके साथ क्या issues है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है, कैसे है, तो वो तो करना ही पड़ेगा और वो होना भी चाहिए. And if somebody is not doing it, then there's something wrong.